My poem, Exorcist, dedicated to an open, democratic, free world. There is an Eastern saying, ghost in the mustard seeds. This is inherently diabolist, since mustard seeds are used to exorcise spirits. What is Tough on Crime campaign? Ignoring existing laws and enforcements, without addressing basic rights for human development, neglecting equitable distribution of national wealth, allowing mercenaries to grow unchecked for convenience. Didn't it historically lead to pogrom for crusades, scorching oppositions and dumping minorities in prison cells? When politicians empower few with license to kill, supporting covert intelligence, military and policing, citizens must be aware of diabolism. Despite all daily chores and responsibilities, beyond all celebratic gestures of media critics, knowing well their tax dollars may be watching, eavesdropping, listening, empowering few for security, blending with the slogan Tough on Crime, as ghosts hiding in the mustard seeds, making existing laws ineffective for untouchables, enjoying immunity shrouded in secrecies, framing patsies. Warmongers may be preaching to human rights activists. Constitutional monarchs may be ruining all democratic possibilities. Shadow governments may be uniting, inflicting terrorism and hostilities, implementing mafia-like structures and methodologies as new world order for bankers, elites, and supremacists. Poems by Kalki. A pogrom is a form of riot directed against a particular group, whether ethnic, religious, or other, and characterized by the killing and destruction of their homes, business, and religious centers. Why USA will entertain a private mercenary inside the country without accountability, beyond the law of the land? And why FBI would block the investigation before 9/11 that will aid the military coup to go through? These are the food for thoughts for all Americans and all citizens before addressing any terrorism. And now imagine that same FBI is in charge of all terror-related acts and investigations. Quote, if the United States ever experiences an attempt at a coup to overthrow the government, it will come from the CIA. The agency represents a tremendous power and total unaccountability to anyone. JFK, John F. Kennedy, 35th President of USA, assassinated on November 23, 1963. CIA's black budget is almost equal to UK's defense budget. And the question is why? Historically, CIA is a covert extension of UK's MI6 after World War II to re-annex USA, and so is Pakistan's ISI to work outside British accountability for the united monarchical colonial advantage against democratic free world. Modern Zionist godfather invented anti-Semites. Theodor Herzl, founder of Zionism in 1897, from Switzerland. It is essential that the sufferings of Jews become ours. This will assist in realization of our plans. I have an excellent idea. I shall induce anti-Semites to liquidate Jewish wealth. The anti-Semites will assist us thereby in that they will strengthen the persecution and oppression of Jews. The anti-Semites shall be our best friends. Now the question is, who are the Jews? Everybody else but the Gentiles. That was coined by Paul in 1st century. The current American godfather, David Rockefeller, wants the whole world run by bankers and elites, destroying democracy and sovereignty. David Rockefeller speaking at the June 1991 Bilderberg meeting in Baden, Germany. Quote, "It would have been impossible for us to develop our plan for the world if we had been subjected to the lights of publicity during those years. But the world is more sophisticated and prepared to march towards a world government. The supranational sovereignty of an intellectual elite and world bankers is surely preferable to the national autodetermination practiced in past centuries." The current Zionist godfather, Zbigniew Brzezinski, father of Al-Qaeda, wants a massive external threat to achieve the goal of the bankers and elites. Quote, "Moreover, as America becomes an increasingly multicultural society, it may find it more difficult to fashion a consensus on foreign policy issues, except in the circumstance of a truly massive and widely perceived direct external threat." Unquote. Quoted from The Grand Chessboard, American Primacy and its Geostrategic Imperatives. The FBI is notorious for creating supposed terrorist groups from scratch and then framing patsies in order to claim the government is protecting the United States from terrorists, and also breathe life into an otherwise moribund war or mostly non-existent terrorism. However, knowing that these groups are funded by the CIA and actually have members of the CIA in their group changes the meaning of these measures to eradicate them. They become a false flag operation that will only end in the restriction of American liberties. Food for thought for all American and world citizens, as the politicians ask for bills to be tough on crime and more money to fight against terrorism. God bless our world for world consciousness.